Yeah, ma'am, can you see this screen?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, today we'll see the shutter effect. So, what it will do means this breaks an object into smaller pieces using physics simulation. So, it is commonly used in movie titles and some action videos and dramatic intros like that. We saw that kind of animation and all. So, for example, when text breaks like glass or wall explosion, so that is we called as a shutter effect. So, we'll see practically how to do this. Yeah, first we need to add a text. Okay, after opening this After Effects, so here text is there now. So we have to click on this, then type whatever the text you want. I type it as a break. So to adjust this text, you have to select this selection tool here. Then you can manually adjust where you want to place the text. So if you need a proper alignment means here align in right side you can see the align option is there. So if you click this means you can adjust. So manually you can here if you click on this it will align in the center. So next, yeah, after this uh, here effects panel is there. No, here effects panel, effects and presets. Here you have to search shutter. So shutter effect is there. So you have to click once and click and drag this on this layer. This text layer is there. No, you have to drag and drop here. So you can see in effects controls panel, you can see the properties of the that shutter effect properties you can see here. Here, view is there. So there is some options are there. So you need to manually adjust that options so that whatever we want at the final output, it will come like that only. So here view option is there. No, you initially wireframe plus forces. So this option is there initially. We need to change this to rendered. Yeah, if you change this means you can see it will see like this. Yeah, after this, so what it will do is that shutter effect, no, this will break the text, whatever the text we inserted here. So that will break like this. And here some manual adjustment you need to do like physics here in After Effects. What is physics means is for example assume that if it is a road, if one road is there, the person is walking on the road, and if at some distance the road cuts means the person falling down. So he not continue the road itself. Okay, so if the road cut at some distance the road breaks means of course the person who is walking on that road means he is also fall down. So here also tells the same scenario only. Here in physics, here these three options are there, like viscosity, mass variance and gravity. You need to remember these three options. So you need to adjust this manually. So I'll tell you. Here viscosity is there. So what is this means viscosity? So this will controls the thickness of the movement. So this movement is there, no, this movement. So it will controls the thickness of this movement, it will controls. Here initially the value will be 0.1. So what it will tells means if the value lower, if you adjust means it will adjust up to 1 you can adjust. So initially it will 0.1. Initially it will 0.1. If the value is lower means what it tells means the pieces wall, the, as you can see, this breaks, no, these pieces, small pieces are there, no. So this pieces fall quickly. If this value is lesser means this pieces fall very quickly down. So if this viscosity value, if it is higher means, if it is higher up to maximum it is means, while you playing, it is, as you can see, it is very slow motion breaking. You can see slow motion, very slow motion, you can see. So that, so we don't adjust like very less and very high also. We adjust like up to 0.4 something like that, will adjust. 45, yeah, 0.45 will adjust. Then next, mass variance. Mass variance, what it is means, so it will changes the weight differences between the pieces, as you can see, between these pieces, no. So it will changes that this weight, one weight is there, no, the differences between that pieces. So it will changes. So here this mass variance, if it is smaller value means uniform braking, as you can see, uniform braking will this is no, that small pieces, no, that is uniformly braking. If this value is higher means, if this value means higher means a random braking, you can see the random, there is no uniformity here, randomly braking here. So we need that uniform braking means you can set this mass variance to 0. It is 0 means you can see the uniform braking, you can see here. Then next, gravity is there. So this makes the effect more realistic. How we'll see. So this gravity it controls how strongly these pieces fall down. Like these pieces falling down, no, will this is tells like how strongly this will fall down. So we need to adjust this gravity. Like if we give 0 means, you can play the video, you can see it is breaking, but it is not falling down. It is static only if you play the video. So if this gravity keep on increasing, like 1.3 you increase, and you can play the video, you can see little slowly it will falling down. Yeah. If you set this up to like 2, 3, 4, you can see there is a fast. Uh, it is firstly it is breaking and then falling very fastly. So this is how you need to adjust the manual. You can see and can adjust these three options: viscosity, mass variance, and then gravity. So now you can see while playing this video, you can see it will breaking like this. If you want still more fastly to fall down means, you can keep on, this gravity is there, no, keep on increase, and now play, you can see here. Or if you want this also, you can give 0 means very slowly, there is no pieces there, the only static only, it is static only, the no pieces falling down. So it takes to up to 6, or yeah, it give 7.8 or 8 something like that. You play means, here you can see, yeah, here, yeah, here another option is the shape. You expand the shape here, pattern, under this pattern, bricks option is there, no, you expand this brick. You have multiple options here, like after it is breaking, no, like what type of breaking you want, you can adjust. So I'll give glass, type of breaking. So if you play this, yeah, it will break here, glass pieces, small pieces, it will come. If you change this to bricks while playing, like brick shape, you can see brick shape, it will breaking then fall down. So we'll see. So here I'll set to glass, then if you play means it will breaking as a glass pieces then fall down. So uh, yeah, this is and all this effects become more realistic when physics values are adjusted properly. So always experiment with parameters only, these parameters. So we need to adjust this, then we can see the final output here. Yeah, this is and all this shutter effect, how it will be working. This is and all. Then we'll see green screen, like any if you see in like in many movies and all, you can you might be seeing that how green screen and all using, and how that remove in any kind of in any kind of videos we can use by removing that green screen. We'll see how it will be. Yeah, first we'll delete this. Let's come to this project panel. So I'll already import some videos. If you want to import, you double click here. Yeah, here it will come to the your file manager. Here I'll import green screen video. Yeah, here green screen video is there. So I'll import this video. Here it comes. So you click on this, you drag, left click and drag, and you place here. Green screen video is come here. Then you fix this like up to, yeah, place it like this. Then after removing this green screen, what you need like background image or video, no, this green screen is a technique where subject is recorded in front of a green background, so that the background can be removed later and placed with any environment. So this technique we call it as a keying. So by using a keying effect, we can remove this. For example, whether you might seen like in news presenters or some in movies and reels creators, so they also use this kind of green screens only to change the backgrounds. So yeah, first we apply, we import this green screen, no? Then I'll add some other background to here, like add any video or image in background. So I'll add this image. uh, I add this image. So you might be asking like I've added this background image, so that is not shown here. So if you, this eyes button is there, no, if you turned on this, you can see this, you can see this image. So here in After Effects, whatever the image or video we imported here in this panel, this bottom, this top layer is there, no, that will covers the bottom layers. So if you want to see the particular layer means, you can uh, turn off this eyes, you can see the second layer and all you can see. Now we'll see how to remove this green screen. Okay, here in effects and presets panel, here you search key light. Yeah, here in keying option, under this key light option is there. So you need to click on this and you drag it on this green screen. Okay. After this, here you can see key light option in effects controls panel, that key light properties will be shown here. Here only this screen color option is there. No, you need to change, only this option need to change. Here eyedropper tool is there. You go left click on this ink type icon is coming now. You just click on this green screen, so it will automatically remove the green screen. Then shown, you can see here that completely green screen is vanishes. You can see. Yeah. Now if you play the video means, you can see. Yeah, the green screen is completely removed here. This is how you can remove the green screen in any kind of videos. So yeah, till now you understand, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see next classes. We'll see how to remove any kind of object in a video, unwanted object. If you want to remove means, we'll see in the next class. Yeah. Okay.